Welcome to Last Hug. Memories that connect forever. To upload your first video, please follow these 3 simple steps. First step. My trusted contacts. Before uploading any content, you need to nominate at least 2 trusted contacts. They will receive an email from us with this request, and only after their acceptance, you can start uploading any content. This is important because they will be the ones responsible to let us know when your departure happens, by submitting an official proof. You can select your trusted contacts from your contacts phone list or by typing their details. Second step, upload your content. You can now easily upload your content previously saved in your phone. This can be photos, videos, text messages or voice messages. We will keep them in a secure encrypted environment and assure they will only be sent to your loved ones after your departure and in any specific future date you have defined. Please take a moment to write a personal message to your beloved one. You can then choose who will view the content you are uploading. This can be one or more than one contact. We will get into it very shortly on the third step. You can also choose if this content is delivered on a specific future date or after some predefined time after your departure. Finally, you can also choose to upload one single content or more than one to be delivered to the contacts you have selected. After everything is set up, you can upload it safely. Let's get now more in detail on how you have chosen who will receive your content. This is the third and final step. To choose who will receive your content after your departure, you need to define your family and friends from your contacts list. Again, similar as you have defined your trusted contacts, you can input manually contact details or access your contact list from your phone. Please note, we will inform your family and friends and give them access to your uploaded content only when the time you've chosen has come, never before. Automatically, with no human intervention. You decide if the content you've uploaded can be viewed by just one or more of your family and friends' contacts. Simple. Now that everything is set and uploaded, you have a simple way to access your content. This will be in My Content main menu. Here you have a list of all your uploaded content. You can access content details, in case you want to review it, edit or even permanently delete it. We are almost ending this tutorial, but let's view how you can access app settings. This will be on the bottom right of your screen. Here, you will have access to the terms and conditions, privacy policy, help and support, or to edit your profile. Many thanks. We'll leave you now to the meaningful process of leaving a conform message to your loved ones.